Is your Google Chrome browser running slowly? In this quick guide, I'll show you a few simple tips to speed it up right away. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. From the left panel, click on Performance and make sure Memory Saver is turned on. This helps free up resources from inactive tabs. Next, go to Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Select the cached images and files and hit Delete Data. This removes junk files that slow Chrome down. Now, head to Extensions by typing Chrome//extensions in the address bar. Disable or remove any extensions you don't use. Unnecessary extensions often cause lag. Another quick fix. In System Settings, turn off the option that says Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. This saves memory and improves performance. Finally, make sure Chrome is up to date. Go back to the three dots, click on Help, then About Google Chrome, and it'll automatically check for updates. That's it. After these quick tweaks, Chrome should feel much faster and smoother. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.